Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Welcome back in our today's session of composition. I hope, children, you all are studying well and enjoying too. So, are you excited for today's session? So, in previous classes of composition, we had learned how to write composition about my family. Okay, about myself. Also, we had learned how to write a story. But children, today I am going to show you picture, and looking at the picture you have to observe it carefully, and then you have to write in few sentences. So are you ready, children? So let's start with today's session. I hope, children, you all will enjoy our today's session of composition. So our today's topic is picture composition. Okay, I will be showing you a picture, okay, which you are going to observe. Now children, when we are writing picture composition, you all must be thinking, what is picture composition? Okay, previously we have learned how to write a composition, okay, on a certain topic, for example, an umbrella, rainbow, colors, okay, we have written composition on the different topics accordingly. But today our topic is little different. It is a picture composition. And what is exactly picture composition, that you understand, children? Picture composition helps to develop your writing skill. Okay, so picture, when we see something, we can remember it for long time. When you hear, we remember for some time. Okay, so picture composition means where you can see the things and observe it carefully and identify and write it in a sentence. Okay, so when I will show you a picture, the first thing what you are going to do, children, you are going to observe it. See the picture with your eyes, and what are the different things you all can see, that you have to observe. Then you have to point out the things and identify. Okay, so when you observe and point out and identify, you will get many words. Then using those words, you have to frame sentences. Okay, and the most important thing, when you are framing sentence, it should be grammatically correct. So check your errors. So these are the certain rules for the picture composition. So today we are going to discuss and learn how to write a picture composition. Now all my dear children, look at this picture very carefully. Now as I told you, the first thing what you are going to do, you all are going to observe this picture. Children, observation is very important in the life. Okay. Observation means what? Do you all know? Observation means you have to look at the things and see each and everything. Okay, that is called observation. Now, if you look at this picture, I want answer from each and every child. Now, tell me what are the different things you all can see in this picture. Take your time, children, and just observe this picture first of all. Okay. Yes, very nice. You have to answer one by one. So here we can see a girl standing with an umbrella. Yes, this what I have observed first in this picture. There is a big house near the tree. There is a big tree also with a nest. There is also, we can see a bird flying on the tree. There are many trees. There are many flowers we can see. We also can see there. Yes, we can see boats. Okay. We can also see clouds. What else we can see, children? We can see mountains, and we can see the girl is sailing boat in the river. So here we can see a river also. There is a little pond in front of the house. So these are the things which we are observing. Okay, looking at that is only called a picture composition. When you see the picture, when you observe it, and you come out with your sentences. Okay, when you write something about that picture is called a picture composition. Now when we are looking at this picture, when we are observing this picture, can you all tell me which season is this, children? Yes, absolutely correct, children. Excellent answer. It's a rainy season. When it rains already, when it rains, children, mostly, yes, in the rainy season, and I love rain very much. We all love to play in the rainy season. Okay, see, these are the small things we like to do, like making paper boats, sailing in the water. Yes, so we like to, yes, very good answer by all my dear children. So this is what we can see in this picture. Now I hope you all must have understood about the picture observation. You have observed it very nicely, and now we will learn how to write in sentence. Children, looking at this picture, you can also give a name to this picture composition. For example, a rainy day. Okay. Otherwise, you can say enjoyed rainy season, or you can give name a memorable rainy day. So this way, according to you, according to your wish, you can give a name to the particular composition, particular picture composition. Okay, children. So let's learn now how to write composition about picture composition. Okay. Now, children, just pay attention here. See, as I told you, it is raining. So this first sentence we could frame here. It is raining. So how we have written the sentence? We have only observed the picture, and we got first sentence. It is raining. Well done, children. Very good. Now let's see the second sentence which we are going to write. Yes, there are clouds in the sky. There are clouds in the sky. Have you understood, children? Yes, well done, children. Very good. Let's see the next one now. The third sentence which we can frame is, yes, there is a big house with the garden. Can you all see? Around the house we can see flowers. Yeah, so there is a big house with the garden. So beautiful it is looking. Is it beautiful, children? Yes, very lovely. Now, the next sentence we are going to write is, there is a tall tree with a nest. Is it correct, children? Yes, when you observe the picture, we can see a big tree, and we can also see a nest on the tree. So we can write a sentence, there is a tall tree with a nest. There is a tall tree with a nest. And one more sentence we are going to write for today's composition. Birds are flying to their nest. Okay, see, birds are flying to their nest. You all can see in the picture near the girl, there we can see two birds which are flying to their nest. Now, children, I hope you all must have understood how to write a composition. Once we will revise, okay, these many sentences we have written today. That is, number 1, it is raining. Number 2, there are clouds in the sky. Number 3, there is a big house with a garden. Number 4, there is a tall tree with a nest. Number 5, birds are flying to their nest. Birds are flying to their nest. Now, my dear children, all are going to take out your composition notebook and we are going to write it in the notebook neatly. Okay, so here you don't need to draw a picture. You are going to write only heading, today's date. Okay, write the heading picture composition, and children, same how it is showing on the screen, the same way you are going to write in your notebook. Okay, got it children? So let's start writing. I'll wait for 2 minutes. The question number 1. I hope you all must have completed writing date and heading picture composition. Then write number 1. It is raining. It is raining. It is raining. Okay children, now the difficult words, new words, you are going to learn nicely at home. Okay? Just all of you, just say words after me. raining, raining. raining, raining. raining, raining. Now another word, clouds, clouds. clouds, clouds. clouds. house, house. house. Next word, garden, garden. 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 Next word, nest, nest. nest, nest. nest. Next word, flying, flying. 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 Okay, I hope you all have understood the new words, okay, which you are going to learn at home. Okay children, now write neatly in your book. Number 1, it is raining. Number 2, there are clouds in the sky. Number 3, there is a big house with a garden. Number 3, there is a big house with a garden. Number 4, there is a tall tree with a nest. There is a tall tree with a nest. Number 5, birds are flying to their nest. Birds are flying to their nest. I hope children you all are writing neatly. And what you are going to do children, when you are watching this video, you can pause it and write neatly, correctly, slowly in your notebook. Okay, no need of hurry for writing. I want you all to write very neatly, understand and write in very good handwriting. Okay, see the punctuation properly. First letter should be capital put the full stop at the end of the sentence, and write in points how it is written in the screen. Okay children, I hope you all have understood our today's picture composition, and you all must have enjoyed also. Okay, so take your time. Okay, one more time I'll read. Number 1, it is raining. Number 2, there are clouds in the sky. Number 3, there is a big house with a garden. Number 4, there is a tall tree with a nest. Number 5, birds are flying to their nest. Okay children. So this was picture composition which we have learned today. Isn't it very easy children? You have to just only look at the picture, observe it, understand the different things what you can see in the picture, and you will get different words. Then you can frame different sentences using those words. Okay children, thank you so much.